Think the recertification process for MB ASCP is just paying a fee and you're good? Think again. Miss a single step and your hard-earned credential could lapse, costing you time, money, or even your job. I'll break down exactly what you need to maintain your MB ASCP, and I'll reveal the #1 mistake even seasoned lab pros make. Today, you'll learn the official recertification process for MB ASCP certification, the steps, the documentation, and the real requirements straight from ASCP. If you're a lab professional chasing ASCP success, you're in the right place. This channel is built just for you. Let's dive in. The recertification process for MB ASCP is every 3 years, not automatic. You must earn 36 credential maintenance credits, no exceptions. At least 1 credit must be in lab, patient safety, or quality control. At least 2 credits need to come from molecular biology topics. Do not skip this. The rest? Mix of lab specialties, management, or education. Many think submitting any 36 credits works. Not true. Credits must match ASCP's required categories. Forgetting this detail is where techs get tripped up. For the full requirements, always check the ASCP Board of Certification site for the latest updates. Thousands of lab pros pass their boards and ace their recertification process for MB ASCP using MLSIAcademy's expert-led study guides, classes, and QBanks. You can too. Here's the recap. Recertification process for MB ASCP is 3 years, 36 credits, specific categories, no shortcuts. Want to make it easy? Check out the MLSI prep platform. Next up, we'll unpack ASCP certification salary, so hit subscribe or explore the channel for more.